Make the most prettiest and most diamond of our individual shine. It's a really beautiful moment, really beautiful thing to see. Thank you so much for being here. You're not here to see me, you're here to see them. So without any further delay, Activemirror, ladies and gentlemen.
How are we feeling tonight? We all right? I'll talk with you in a bit. They made me go. They made me go, 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 go. Disco. Ramos. What do you want from me when I've got nothing left to give? Disco. Ramos. What do you want from me when I've got nothing left to give? I didn't do it! I wanted to! I didn't do it! I wanted to! I wanna love you, my baby blue! I wanna know you, like lovers do! I wanna kill you, I really do. I wanna kill you, I really do. I really do, I really do. I really do, do. Disco! Ramos! What do you want from me when I've got nothing left to give? Disco! Ramos! What do you want from me when I've got absolutely nothing to give? Nothing left to give! I've got nothing left to give! Nothing left to give! I can see the lights incoming, but I do not know what they want. I can see the lights incoming, but I do not know what they want. I can see the lights. I can see the lights. It's so good to be back. Oh. Thank you for coming here tonight. Really. This next song is an unreleased song that we got. You heard it probably a few times if you see us often. Is anyone seeing us for the first time tonight? You? Really? Anyone seeing us for the first time tonight? Nobody, huh? You? Oh, yeah. Welcome. This is a song, it's called Acadian Love. Sunset That's who you are. That's who you are. Don't let me go.
How's your evening going? I'm having a good time too. So far, having a good time. Of course. The mix is great, so thank you, Kevin. You are so right. I got you.
Okay. Go ahead. It's way too late to be this locked inside ourselves. The trouble is that you're in love with someone else. It should be me. It should be me. Take your parts, your getaways. You come along on summer days, tenderly, gracefully. So may take time, try and find somebody else. Visit mine, set the date. You know exactly how I feel. I had my doubts, little girl, and I'm in love with something real. It could be me that's changing. So may take time, try and find somebody else. Where's the line? Now seasoned with hell, two lovers walk a lakeside mile. Try pleasing with self, rodeo, not ending soon, but ending fast. How I love you in the evening when we are sleeping. Yes, we are sleeping. Yes, we are sleeping. And so may we make time. try and find somebody else who is alive. Now it's seasoned with hell. Two lovers walk a lakeside mile, try pleasing with stealth. Rodeo, not ending soon, but ending now.
No. No. Take your shirt off. Take your shirt off. Do it. You can, we'll do it. Do it, no balls. Eli, yeah. No balls. No balls.
Sin pelotas.
The spotlight is yours, Wensley.
Just so you know, this is being filmed. This is being filmed. This is being filmed, so we gotta comportar. Alhamdulillah. Can we just agree, Habibti, everything here is haram. Where's Peter? Peter is haram. I think Peter's definitely haram. How are you guys feeling tonight? You all right? You having a good week? You had a good week? I had sort of a good week. You know, sort of. You know, you have your downs and you have your ups. But then you have your ups and then you have your downs. Yeah, fuck, what am I saying? Anyway. This is a band from Manchester. Hope you like them. Transmission, radio, live transmission. Listen to the silence, let it ring out. Eyesight lenses blinded by the sun. We could have a fine time living in the night. Threat from our destruction, waiting for our sight. And we could go on as though nothing was wrong. How are the days that we've been all alone? You stay at the same place, you stay at the time. Touching from a distance, waiting on the time. Dance to the radio. Dance to the radio. Dance dance to the radio. Well, I can go on and I'm going to serve. The things that we know are no longer enough. We stay at the same place, we stay at the time. Because of the over to be on the show. And we can dance, 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 dance to the radio. Dance, 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 dance to the radio. Dance, 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 dance to the radio. Dance, 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 dance to the radio.
Thank you very much. Great. Great.
Oh my God, I love this song.
of the window. Everybody's looking around again, waiting for time to end. Looking out of the window. Everybody's swaying around again, waiting for time to end. Looking out of the window. Everybody's looking around again, waiting for time to end. Looking out of the window.
Come on. Come on.
The song is big in Brazil. You can dance samba to this one. Whatever you like, I'm not here to judge. Rarely do we find a mistake. Keep some grace tonight. I only feel nothing when you're gone. I can't see what you may want me to see, and it's all wrong. The lines arrive like traffic during our most darkest hours, and I only feel nothing when you're gone. It's serendipitous. Listen to the girl. When she speaks, you find absurdities. You rarely make a mistake, so you make one. I only feel nothing when you're gone. I cannot see what you may want me to see, and it's so wrong. The lights arrive like traffic during our most darkest hours, and I only feel nothing when you're gone. It's serendipitous, we shot. I can't see what you may want me to
selling Mercedes. Obrigado! Do you guys know a band called In Excess? Yeah. Michael Hutchins is one of my favorite frontmen ever. Michael Hutchins. He's a very nice, he was a very fucking brilliant guy. And we're gonna do a song of that band. This song goes out to Austin, my good friend Austin. It's his birthday today. I won't sing happy birthday, but I will sing this one for you. I love you. Thank you for being a kind man. Thank you for being an amazing dungeon master. And thank you for being you. You're fantastic. This one also goes out to Luigi, my good friend. I'm standing here on the ground. The sky above won't fall down. Seeing how we've in all directions, resolution of happiness. Things have been dark for too long. Don't change for you. Don't change a thing for me. Don't change for you. Don't change a thing for me. I found a love I have lost. It was gone for too long. With no evil in all directions. Resolution of bitterness. Message received loud and clear. Don't change for you. Don't change a thing for me. Don't change for you. Don't change a thing for me. Are you alive? with no evil in all directions. Resolution of happiness. Things have been dark for too long. Don't change for you. Don't change a thing for me. Don't change for you. Don't change a thing for me. Don't change for you. Don't change a thing for me. It's a good life. Thank you very much. Wednesday, the song is for you. on the east side. We lost track of the time. Dreams aren't what they used to be. Some things slide by so carelessly. Smile like you mean it. Smile like you mean it. Someone is calling my name from the back of the restaurant. And someone is playing a game in the house that I grew up in. And someone will drive her around down the same streets that I did. Down the same streets that I did. Thank you very much. You'd like to remind some people on what they should do?
Oh, yeah, you guys should drink water. So, if you
Drink
guys
some
don't-
water.
If you don't have your water, I suggest you get some water at the bar. Or if you want to waste some money, get some beers and all that, you know what I'm saying? Yes, true.
It's an investment.
Every purchase you make here is probably a donation to us. So thank you very much. You're helping history. But it is important to drink some water. That is true. Because you still need to be alive to witness, you know. Giovanni Kelly, I see you. That's my dad right there. Yeah. Come closer. You too. Mr. Cure. Come in the front. There's not a lot of people tonight. It's fine. There is water in beer. In Germany, we drink beer like water.
Did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle.
This song is for Nigel Maduro for putting up the good fight. To the hotel, know what I mean. It's simple and dreary, a killer of dreams. Am I just another? Am I just another mouth to feed? Am I just another mouth to feed? Oh, am I? Oh, am I anything? Good enough, we could cry while our chances are denied. We can impress you with language, speaking out our own demise. We can laugh, we can cry while our chances are denied. We can impress you with language, but our chances are growing on the way to growing out of passion. Life is far away and clearly out of passion, but their lives are so happy now. Every day's the same, you're living in a bottle. Love is far away and yet so in reach. Oh, aren't you so lucky to live here? Aren't you so happy now? To the hotel, because the hotel wishes death upon me and everyone I used to care for. Love that building more than me. Am I just another? Tell me. Am I just another mouth to feed? Am I just another mouth to feed? Oh, am I? Oh, am I anything? We can laugh, we can cry, while our chances are denied. We gotta impress you with language, while our chances are denied. We can laugh, we can cry, while our chances are denied. We can impress you with language, speaking out our own. Going on the way to growing out of passion. Love is far away and clearly out of passion, but their lives are so happy now. Every day's the same, you're living in a bottle. Love is far away and yet so in reach. Oh no, aren't you so lucky to live here? Aren't you so happy now? Clinging to all your dreams, but they're in the underground, deep in the far away. Thank you. Aren't you Keanu? Keanu Waver? I'm your biggest fan. Mr. Theater. This next one is Our Creep. Thank you very much. Hold on, figure it out. Too young, living it down. Maybe I just need another. But I'll tear your life apart. These things take time. Forever is waiting. Yes, it is. You're gonna hate the very next life. Darling, you will. Darling, you will. You're cool enough. You're cool enough. Suddenly, I need you to see me. Hopefully, what? I'll see you too. Maybe we just need each other. I won't tear your life apart. These things take time. Forever is waiting. You're gonna hate the very next life. Darling, you will. Darling, you will. These things take time. Forever is waiting. We're gonna love ourselves in due time. Darling, you will. Darling. Darling, you will. Darling, you will.
Ting, tick, time.
Things take time. Forever is waiting.
Welcome to the after party.
So wait, this is being recorded, right? Yeah. For who? I forget. Adrenaline does that to you. Is this? I'd like to give a shout out, a very ceremonious shout out. No, not like that. I mean, in a bit, but to Awe Mainta, thank you for believing in us. Thank you for giving a shit about us. Thank you. Thank you very much, really. And really, I want to thank everyone who's here. You could have been at any carnival event, but you chose to be here.
It's not about morning.
What happened to me house? Where did me stove go? Where did me table go? Did you know me and Meshach wrote a calypso? No, we don't write soca, we write calypso, the real shit. I mean, we wrote a soca too, but not a...
Yeah, I know, it's not finished yet.
Who knows? Mighty Stinky and Mighty Fizz. This one's for Marco Rodriguez. Alva. She had a face straight out of magazine. God only knows, but she'll never leave her. And now her body is starting to change. Oh, when she reaches gone, she's begging, babe, stay, 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 stay. I'll give you one more night.
roll. Now everybody's dead. They're driving past my old school. The scoring, the scoring streets on. She says, babe, you look so cold. 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 How you feeling? How you living? Do you think that I've forgotten? Do you think that I've forgotten? Do you think that I've forgotten about you? About you. About you. Yeah, 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 yeah. You, baby. Thank you very much.
Leuk. Leuk, man. Was dat griet?
It's kind of sad how like probably 3 people said that. It's like 3 segundos.
This is live.
Doe die aan de hamer dan.
No. It's so cold.
Si mi shaka si imitatie.
It is pretty cold. Like I'm hardly breaking a sweat, and it's pretty fucking cold.
Pretty cold up here, so.
Don't wanna be your beast.
That means I'm sick.
So today I was watching a documentary about. I'm talking to Mishak, right? So today I was watching a documentary about David Bowie's Berlin trilogy, the one from '76 to '79. There's like a whole 2-hour video on that on YouTube, and they mentioned this one album called. They mentioned how David Bowie used to write with a guy called Iggy Pop, and there was a song that they wrote together called China Girl. I could escape. I could escape this feeling with my China girl. Wake up mornings, where's my China girl? I hear her heart beating, it's loud as thunder. I saw the stars crashing down. I'm just a mess without my little China girl. Wake up in the morning, where's my little China girl? I hear her heart beating, it's loud as thunder. I saw the stars crashing down. I'm feeling tragic like I'm Marlon Brando when I look at my China girl. I could pretend that nothing really meant too much when I look at my China girl. She's so fine. I stumble into town just like some sacred cow. Visions of swastikas in my head, blinds for everyone. It's in the wide of my eyes. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. My little China girl, you shouldn't mess with me. I'll ruin everything you are. I gave you television. I gave you eyes of blue. I gave you a man who wants to rule the world. And when I get excited, my little China girl, she says, oh baby, just you shut your mouth. And when I get excited, my little China girl, she says, oh baby, just you shut your mouth. She says, ooh. Welcome to the 70s. Thank you very much. I wanted to give special thanks tonight to Kevin Da Silva, our sound man. He makes us sound very good. He makes me sound very decent. So thank you to Kevin very much. You are loved, man. You are loved by us. He also did a lot of work. He took a lot of time to help us on the album. So, hey, 3 cheers for Kevin, man. For he's a jolly good fellow.
I want to draw. Fine. Physically fit. Physically fit.
Dacht ik al.
I like him big. I like him chunky.
Sorry for the wait between songs. As you can tell, we did not rehearse as much as we wished to. But that's a good sign. It's all muscle memory. Hand in glove, the sun shines out of our behinds. Yes, it's not like any other love. This one is different because it's ours. Hand in glove, you give people life. Oh, I don't know and I really don't care. sun shines out above behind. Yes, it's not like any other love. This one is different because it's ours. And in love, you go wherever we please. Yes, and everything depends upon how near you stand to me. Oh, let the people stare, let the people stare. I really don't know and I really don't care. It's my shame, oh, Lord. And in love, the good people laugh. Yes, we may be hidden by rags, but we have something they'll never have. And in love, the good people laugh. Yes, we may be hidden by rags, but we have something they'll never have. Oh, and if the people stare, let the people stare. 'Cause I really don't know and I really don't care. It's my shame, Lord. Lord. So, hiding love, I stake my flame. I'll fight till the last breath. If they dare touch a hair on your head, I'll fight to the last breath. And I know there's a life there somewhere, so stay on my arm, you little charmer. But I know my love too well. Yes, I know my love too well. And I'll probably never see you again. I'll probably never see you again. I'll probably never see you again. Thank you very much. Oh, Aruba, you made a young man old. Thank you very much for being here tonight. Yes. Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya.
Koy adal mi cool.
That means I'm shit.
Oh.
Me weeble.
Elias, je bent een boeler. Joking, I love you, man. I love you.
Better. Thank you, Amal. Thank you, Amal. He gets the job done. It's all right. It's the thought that counts.
son's name? I can't tell you. Is he growing up to be like me? Can I ask you just one question? Boy, do you ever feel alone? Give it to me! Just take another picture. How's the summer? Did you get that t-shirt? And is your mother treating you well? Just one question. Boy, do you ever feel alone every day? I love you. I love you. I hope you know. Where do the times go when you need them? Oh, just take another picture. Time ticks by. It doesn't matter what you try. Time ticks on and time ticks by. It doesn't matter what you try. Summer's gone in winter time. We can all just walk on by. Time ticks on and time ticks by. It doesn't matter what you try. Keep going. Miesiąc sukces! Elias Jansen! Marco Ikesawa! Robert Smith! Thank you very much. Have a good night. You're all beautiful. Thank you very much. Have a good night. Thank you to Kevin. Thank you to Amal for letting this happen. Thank you, Alfies. Take the night out of me. Take the night out of me. What was that you said? You wanna get out? There's not a winner like you here tonight. Waste me with your words so I could cut off your tongue. The truth is that the night's not over yet, my lovely one. Make me believe so that I can say that joke isn't funny anymore tonight. And maybe it's that ratty voice that keeps me coming back. Well, truth is that the night's not over yet. I love you one. Break my mind. I know you want to. And take the night out of me. Take the night out of me. Yeah, I know. Raise the teeth. You're not cold at all. That's just what they say to make you feel bad. And everything's alright. That's the mess of it all. And truth is that the night's not over yet. The boys are back in town. The boys are back in town.
Hey. Relax.
No Backstreet Boys, es un otro. Es un otro. No menudo, man. It's in the Inglaterra. Take that. No, take that. Take that. Take that. They all got nothing on take that. On take that. Take that one.
I want it that way. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say I want it that
Whatever I said and whatever I did, I did. Ay, bossa laugh. Bossa laugh. I want you back. I want you back. I want you back for good. Whenever I'm wrong, just tell me the song and I'll sing it. We'll be right here from the start. I want you back. I want you back. I want you back for good. Anyway, have a good night. Bye-bye. Jacob's at the bar. You'll know you get something good. Order something. You'll like it.
I got you.
Am I on? Holy fuck, I am on. Liam hates it when I do this. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and everything in between, above and below, and everywhere else. I don't give a fuck what you are. Active fucking mirror, everybody. Seriously. Yeah. I know there's a lot of things going on the island tonight, and there's carnivals, all sorts of shit going on. I am grateful for each and every one of you in here tonight. Thank you for being here. This place should be fucking packed every time these lads play here. Anytime any local bands plays here, this place should be fucking packed. But we're grateful you guys are here. Thank you very much. Now, you're always welcome, my friend. If there is one person in this room not following Activemirror on Instagram, shame on you.
Shame on you.
Take out your phone, active_mirror, follow them. Because these guys are playing their fucking hearts out, whether there's one person or 100 people. We're about to embark on a huge fucking journey.
Follow them right, meow.
They're playing North by Northeast if you haven't heard yet. And we'd love for you guys to follow our journey. So check them out on Instagram. Guys, take a bow. This is a fucking huge deal. Yeah. Thank you very much. Awi Mainta, thank you very much. Jason, Reggie, thank you for all your hard work. We really appreciate you guys very much. Without local support, local bands, local arts can't thrive. It is really, really, really important that you show up, show out. It doesn't always have to be money. It really doesn't have to be money. Just fucking show up. It's not that hard. I appreciate you, Robert. Follow. Listen, Aruba, one thing here. I got to tell you guys something. On the global stage, Facebook doesn't matter. I'm sorry, Mark. No one gives a shit about Facebook. Instagram, guys, for some reason. Well, Mark still benefits from that, so it doesn't matter. You got to get on their Instagram. TikTok is fine, but they don't care about TikTok. But Instagram, active_mirror. That's what's important right now. I'm not sure why, but it is. So follow them, follow us. Join us on this journey. Again, Awe Mainta, Jason, Reggie, Thank you to everybody who's been following us on this journey so far. I feel like a broken fucking record, but guys, we need you to show up. Even if you like, comment a fucking emoji. Do something on our posts. It means a whole heck of a lot. I don't know why I said heck. I've been screaming the whole time. But yeah, thank you very much. Thanks for coming, guys. Take good care of yourselves, okay? We'll see you the next show. We'll see you the next show. Holy fuck, Angie, are you okay? You okay? Thank you, Robert. Thank you, Angie. Thank you very much. Thank you, Wensley. Look at those guns. Look at those dimples. Dimples you could swim in for fucking days. Kevin De Silva. Kevin De Silva. Thank you so very much. This guy's a new dad.
Big ups.
And you know what? He put in a ton of fucking hours in the album. And CD Baby fucked up the producer credits, fucked up the engineering credits. This guy put in a ton of hours working with the band, and he always shows up to mix when he can. Thank you very much, Kevin. We appreciate you very much. Thank you very much.
And Kevin, you know, I think it goes with any editing job. Like, usually when you do a good job, people don't know. Because it's like, oh, but when you do a horrible job, everyone knows. Right? Well, he did a fucking absolute banger of a job. So, yeah, once more for Kevin De Silva, man. Fuck. Thank you. Now do what you will already do. Bye-bye.